So I'm in the crowd, you know, I feel like doing this video because people ask me to. So I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna ask me to sing to her happy birthday because I did it for Didi. So I'm gonna do it. I don't know your name. I can't pronounce it. I'm not trying to play you, but that's what Jamaican name is. It's kind of hard to mispronounce, but I'm gonna sing happy birthday to you, right? One, two, three. Just thought. I don't know why y'all was making because I dealt with it on the phone. Not saying I did. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear, whoever you are. Happy birthday to you. And then she told me to do face it, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Happy birthday to something Morales, alright? And I can't believe you have a Jamaican name with a Spanish last name. Your parents do not love you. You need to sue that bitch. Literally stupid. Anyway, bye. Talk to you now.